For lower traffic dock applications, Vestil offers a full line of steel and aluminum dock boards, dock plates, and ramps in a variety of sizes and capacities. For loading and unloading with a fork truck, see our BTA series aluminum truck dock boards with welded aluminum curbs, or our TAS series aluminum boards with bolt-on steel safety curbs. For all steel units, see our TS series steel boards with welded curbs. For pallet and hand truck operations, we offer our popular aluminum economizer dock plates. Lightweight and easily transported, these economical units can be utilized in various locations throughout your shop or warehouse. When docks are not available, utilize one of Vestil's aluminum walk ramps. These sturdy yet lightweight units allow workers to load and unload trucks safely and easily. Overlap or steel hook styles are available, and all ramps feature a non-skid surface, safety chains, and a 1.5-inch high safety curb on each side.